here and put your hands up to the fucking sky. Let me see your lights light up Tomorrowland, Brazil right now. We got over 50,000 lights in the fucking air right now. How you feel about that, Brazil? And we're gonna do this song together.
Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after you're my You're my Wonder-Woman.
Now make some fucking noise! Wow. We're closing out main stage. Day one of Tomorrowland, Brazil together. So I gotta take a photo because this is so fucking legendary. And I want to see as many people in this photo that I'm seeing right now. And I want to see all the flags. I see you're all from different countries, from all around the world. I want you to put your flags up, represent where you're from. Everyone put your flags up, put your girlfriends up, put your hearts up, and put your motherfucking hands up. Let's make the most epic photo in motherfucking Brazil for Tomorrowland. Keep your hands up on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, scream! Tomorrowland, say hell yeah! Say fuck yeah!